going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another walk around. We're going to jump right in this today with number one on my list. Somewhere out here. Oh, I found it. It's a 2014 Infiniti QX60, guys. Here it is. And, well, 119,000 miles. Ooh, what happened back there? Hail car, yep. Hail car. It was hard to tell from all that dust. Oh boy. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad, guys. I don't think. I mean, you can obviously see it, but it's not that bad. I just got a notification from my phone. My battery is dead. That's great. That is absolutely great. That is exactly what you want to hear when you just started. Incorrect key ID. Huh? What? Uh-oh. Well, it says to push this onto that. There we go. Yep, you really, really want to hear when you just started a brand new video that your battery's dead. That's always great. No key detected. That's always great too. There we go. Well, this is decent. She still has a sunroof, so that's good. It could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse. Let's put it into gear. Because once this phone dies, we're out of here, man. We're done. If all I get is half of a car, that's all we're going to get is half of a car. Okay. She goes back and forth. Not bad. The important window works. Uh-oh. Oh. Dummy. The door was already open. Ooh, look at all those buttons. Okay. All right. I'm trying to hurry because I got 3 cars to get through, and something tells me I don't have enough battery to get through them all. Damn, that is packed in there. I would not want to be the mechanic working on this. Hell no. There we go. You just got to give her what for, man. I don't even know. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh wow. I hate seeing things like that, man. You just hope nobody was in it, you know what I mean? Spare tire. That's nice. The interior doesn't smell bad even though that window is broken open. God, that is awful. Yeah. Yeah, bio. I'm gonna say yeah. Yeah. Damn. All right, guys. All the important stuff works except the key. Remember, if you're going to check it out, point the silver part of the key at the starter button. No key detected. Okay. I give up. I'm done with you. Yep. This is an Audi S7, and it looks like it's got minimal damage. Some brackets and associated things broken down there. Bent up cooler. Honestly though, doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Broken headlight, dented hood, dented fender, turbo V8, 56,000 miles on the odometer. One of my favorite, in fact, probably other than the R8, this is absolutely my favorite body style. The A7, the S7, the RS7. Oh God, please, I would love to have one of those. Oh, here's where you're getting the money though, huh? Airbags. Oh, look at those seats. Oh my goodness. Ugh. She's dead as a doornail, huh? She's dead as a doornail. It was listed as a non-runner, and then it looks like somebody listed as a runner. You might recognize the Jag right there, right? We've seen that one before. They're asking $1,000 for it now. $1,000. Don't think I'm not tempted. I am very tempted. Ooh, baby. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, we got to. Damn, that's a thumbnail. That sun in the background. The sun is setting. It's getting dark so early out here. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, when my battery dies, and it will die, it absolutely will. When it dies, no, I'm not gonna do an outro. I'm not coming back. When the video ends, it just ends. That's it. I'm not gonna record anything after the fact. We're just gonna roll with it. Why do we have we got a problem here? Positive is on the positive. We got juice. Come on, man. She's not gonna do it. She's not gonna do it. That sucks. There's no power. Interesting, because it's listed as a run and drive, and then it's listed as a non-runner. So I don't know what happened there. That is very disappointing. This is one I really, really was looking forward to hearing this one run. Oh well, such is life. Please forgive me for the super short video today. I'm telling my phone battery is done. It's gone. It's over with. We got an 08 Honda Civic here with 189,000 miles. Somehow I didn't see that in the pictures. Okay, I don't know how. I don't know how. Oh man. Damn. No, come on. Let's look at this one. Screw that Civic. That Civic, it looks really bad. Oh man, somebody left the windows open on this. Come on, guys. Come on. People come out here, man, they screw around with this stuff. They don't care. They don't care. Ooh. Oh, look at the fancy. Hold up. Hold up. Ooh. Oh, this seat's a little, yeah, you know, a little something. Now you know it ain't gonna run, but wow. That's holy crap, that's a lot of, hell, I don't even know which key would go to it. Let's try that one. It ain't that one. Let's try this one. I can sit here all day. Nope. It ain't that one either. Okay, we'll try this one. Great. I can't find the key. I found the key. Now you know this is carbureted, right? Uh-oh. No starter. No starter? I need a start button, guys. Hazards, cigarette lighter, air. How much you want to bet there is a dadgum. Well, that gas pedal feels pretty bad. Huh. Well, I mean, I know we got power, because that comes to life. I'm telling you, I feel like there's a start button like that right there. Just my luck. Just my luck. Oh, man. Ooh, got a little bit of rust there. What is this? Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Wow, look at you. Okay. Oh, guys, she's been on fire. Honestly, this thing shouldn't even have a battery hooked up. Look at this. Whoa. Yep, she got sparky. She got sparky. Okay. Well, I'm just not having any luck today. That's what it is. I am not having any luck today. I thought we'd skip the Civic and go for something real cool. This is cool, I guess. We'll turn that off. Sorry. No. All right. At least we closed the window on it, though, right? I guess we come back over to the Civic. Although it's hail damage. Put a sunroof in it, I guess it'd be okay. The front bumper is coming off, but it has a pretty nice tire. It's got a prime well on the back that looks good. Is that an Elune? I don't know. A prime well over here, and an Salon, whatever over there. Okay, so she got all kinds of mismatches going on. Look at this. Yep. Bondo. Rust. How bad's the interior? Well, somebody cleaned it up. Obviously, the sunroof is gone, right? I mean, I'm assuming there's... Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, that's nice. I should have known. I should have known not to do that. I figured the sunroof was completely gone, and someone had just covered it up. Nope. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, you can almost see again. She actually doesn't run bad. There's definitely a motor mount that's out of whack. You can feel too much vibration inside the car here. Yeah, she goes forwards. She goes backwards. Good to know. Window goes down, window goes up. Give her a little rev. Okay. It's not bad. I mean, it's well used. Maybe you could call it well loved. Hell, I don't know. Air conditioning is ice cold. Like, that legit is, that's the definition of ice cold air conditioning right there. Seriously. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, she's not a great car, but you put a sunroof in her, maybe a set of matching tires. Yeah, see? This isn't bad, guys. This isn't bad. She's a little rough, but at least she wasn't on fire. At least I don't think this one was on fire. Whew. Okay, that is ridiculously cold. That is ridiculously cold. Okay, guess what, guys? I do believe that is it. Actually, that's not it. Yeah, there's that. And that is very nice. That is very, very nice. But we got this. No, not that. Look at this lifted Tahoe, baby. Big Tahoe, big tires. I gotta admit, it looks pretty good. But from the pictures, I can tell she's got some rust. Well, maybe just a little bit. Maybe not that bad. 137,000 miles on the odometer. They're asking $6,900 for it. Took a little hit in the back. You can see she's got some Bondo. Maybe not. I think that may just be paint and primer. A little bit of rust. Doesn't look too awful bad under there, does it? She took a little hit. This bumper, obviously the taillight is gone. A little bit of damage here, a little bit there. Hell, I'd drive it. Wouldn't bother me one bit. Boy, she is lifted up high. Good Lord. Wow. Oh, wow. She does have some rust, though. She does have some rust. Look at this. What happened there? I think it got stuck in there and he just cut it off. Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. All right. I don't know, you know, a little mud bogger or something I had a little bit of fun with. This could be it. This could be, uh-oh. I thought we were done. I did. I thought we were out of here, but we're not. We're not. I had to look at this when I saw it on the way out the door, and I was like, let's just check it out real quick. If the battery dies, well, then let the dadgum battery die. We'll go out. We'll go out. Oh. We'll go out filming. Wow. That's a little rusty. Is this a run and drive? It says it runs and drives. Well, you know what that means. I'm sure it's a 5.3. Screw it, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Get us a positive right there. Don't worry, these cables, these connectors are plastic. Ain't gonna touch nothing. It's not gonna hurt anything. Go ahead and throw some juice to her, man. There's too many spider webs on this guy. She's been sitting a while. She's been sitting a while. There's too many spider webs. I wouldn't personally. Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow. No. Me personally, I would not give $6,700 for it, but she does run. Ooh. That almost sounds like a knock. Look, all this stuff is falling back in the dash. Guys, that don't sound healthy. Maybe it'll go away. She's got oil pressure. No, that doesn't sound good. Let me give it a little rev. No. No. Okay. Well, I wasn't gonna give $6,700 for this thing anyway. I got a BMW sitting over there somewhere, and I won another BMW today too, an X3. Don't ask. I don't know why I'm bidding on BMWs. I don't. I know better. Everybody I know that knows anything about these things has told me to stay away from them, but just wanted something different, man. So I'm going for it. I'm going for it. We got a couple Beamers hopefully coming to the channel very, very soon, and we do not have a Tahoe coming to the channel. That is a, oh my goodness. That is a heck no, man. Now we're out of here. Sorry the video was so short, but at least we got to make an outro, right? Like, that matters. It doesn't, but thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Share the video with your friends. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.